Hello everyone, and welcome to Peculiar's Child's Kitchen. How has been your day? Great. If you are new here, welcome to my channel, and if you are not new, welcome back. Please kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the red notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new videos. Thank you. On my menu today, I'll be showing you how to make a super fluffy pancake. And here are the ingredients we are going to be using for the pancakes. Here is 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 eggs, 1½ cup of milk, 3 tablespoons of sugar, ½ teaspoon of salt, a pinch of cinnamon and a pinch of nutmeg, which is optional, and 4 tablespoons of butter, melted butter, 4 teaspoons of baking powder. Let's get started with. So first, I'm going to combine all the dry ingredients into a bowl. The flour, the baking powder, the salt, the cinnamon and the nutmeg, which I said it is optional. These are my dry ingredients now, except the sugar. So I'll be setting it aside. Then I'll be grabbing another large bowl. This is another large bowl. Then I'll be adding my egg. That is 3 eggs. Then I'll be adding the sugar as well. Then I will whisk the 2 ingredients together. So the egg and the sugar is well beaten now. Now I'll be adding the butter and the milk. Then I will mix all the wet ingredients together now. Now that my wet ingredients are well mixed, I will pour into the wet ingredients all the dry ingredients. Then I will mix it until everything is well combined. So now that all our ingredients are well combined, I will be moving to the frying of the pancake. First, you have to place a fry pan on your stove and preheat. When your pan is preheated, then you will start scooping the batter into the pan. I will be leaving the first side to fry before I will be flipping it over. Now I will be flipping it to the other side. As you can see, it has bubbles on the head. Wow, this is so nice. It's so fresh and it is golden brown. Now I will be packing it into a plate. Then I will repeat the same process till I finish frying all the pancake. This is my pancake, guys. It looks so wonderful and it tastes so delicious. Thank you very much for watching this wonderful video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the red notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. See you. Bye bye.